Hey guys, I'm back, and this time I'm going to do a video on just what you get inside the Maxx high output off-road light kit. I just want to show you guys what you get in the box, and it is part number 8990, and we get two LED bar bumpers with the module, 2 screws, zip ties, and I believe that's it. And from what I understand, there's 3 different modes. You can turn the lights off completely, you can have them on normally, and then there's like a high beam. So right when you open the box here, you got your instructions on how to install. I've watched a few videos, I'm not gonna lie, on how to install this, so it should be pretty easy. I don't think I'll really need the instructions. It seems pretty easy from what I've seen, but here in the instructions it does show you that the way you can route your wires, so I might follow that. I might check that out just to be sure that nothing, because I don't want to do it myself and then not do it correctly and not leave enough slack in the line or something, and then if I wreck out or something, I don't want it to jerk a line out of the light or something, you know, mess it up. So I might follow this Traxxas recommended path here as far as where to zip tie everything down. They know what they're doing, so I probably will follow that. And this is what I was telling you about the mode select here. There's a mode select button on the module and whatnot that changes the settings. And I believe you can also do that from the app too, the Traxxas app. So this is what you get in the box. High quality foam. Oh, and I must mention that it's pretty expensive for this light kit. I mean, this light kit was $100, you know, with tax you're looking at maybe 110, 115, you know, so it is pretty pricey. But from what I've seen, once it's installed, it's pretty sweet. And you do get to, you know, drive at night, so that's pretty cool. And then you can also tell here by looking at these lights, the different colors here. Now I know these have reverse lights that come on and brake lights, so that'll be pretty cool to check that out. And then you got your mode select button there, and these are the A, B, C, D. I know A is for, I believe, the headlights. C and D are for the tail lights. I don't know what B is used for. I don't think it's used for anything as far as the light kit goes, but I could be wrong. You take these out here, and it's packaged pretty well, I gotta say. And back here in the back, we've got our zip ties, and they give us 2 screws to screw down this little module thing here, mode select deal. So there's 2 screws in the bag, and then you got your zip ties. And then you have the module here. I guess this just opens up. Yeah, that opens up. And then, let's see if we get this out. Okay, there's a front bumper right there. These wires are pretty thin. Hopefully they hold up. So, yeah, so that's the headlight. That's what that looks like. Get that out. And then here's the module here that comes out, and this screws down inside the body. This one has a better wire on there. It looks like it's insulated too, pretty well. Now this will go to the accessory port on the ESC, I believe, from what I remember watching. And there's your holes for bolting it down inside the body there, next to the ESC. And then here we got the rear bumper. Again, with a really razor thin wires. Man, that scares me. Those are really thin wires. I'm hoping those hold up. So I will definitely use the Traxxas recommended path for running these lines, because I do not want one to get snagged in a wreck or something and tear them or something. So that's what you get in the box, guys. You get the module here that screws into the body, the rear bumper, the front bumper, And you got your zip ties and your 2 screws for screwing down the module. And you got your high quality foam, which I'm pretty sure that was included in the price because this foam is pretty thick. So that's pretty much all you get, guys, in instructions. And just to recap, just so you guys can see here on the truck, the bumper is pretty much the same. The only difference is that LED bar will be here. So those are pretty much identical as far as the style and the way they look. And it's the same thing here with the rear bumper. It's just a straight bumper. It's got a little different. Well, no, it's pretty much the same. So the only difference is it'll have lights on it. So I'm looking forward to that. That's gonna be pretty cool to drive at night and be able to, you know, see what's going on. It's gonna be pretty sweet. So anyway, guys, it was just a quick little video just to show you what comes in the LED kit. I'm not sure if I'll make an install video, because I'm not very good at editing. So I don't know, I might do it and maybe speed the video up or something, so you don't have to sit through all that, because I'm not sure how long it'll take. It shouldn't take too long, but kind of want to get this installed, you know, perfectly, especially when it comes with the wires. I'm really worried about that, because these wires could, you know, get snagged or something. So I really got to make sure that I run these wires correctly and zip tie them down real good. So anyway, guys, just a quick video just to show you what you get in the box. And again, in case you're wondering, the part number is 8990. That's the part number. Anyway, guys, thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you again soon.